There will come a time when the night sky no longer looks alive. The stars above us, the glowing river of the Milky Way, the bright constellations humanity has known for thousands of years, will slowly disappear. Not because the universe ends suddenly, but because the cosmos is running out of light. 1 trillion years from now, the universe will be older, colder, and darker than anything we can truly imagine. And the sky above, whatever remains of civilization, will no longer resemble the sky we know today. Chapter 1. The Sky We Know. Tonight, if you step outside far from city lights, you can see thousands of stars. A glowing band stretches across the darkness. The Milky Way galaxy. Each point of light is a star, some larger than the sun, some smaller, some already dead, their light still traveling across space. The modern universe is still young. Stars continue to form inside giant molecular clouds. Galaxies collide and reshape themselves. Supernovae scatter heavy elements across space. New planets are still being born. The night sky today is rich with structure and color. But this era is temporary, because stars do not shine forever. Chapter 2. The Slow Death of Stars. Stars survive by burning hydrogen deep within their cores. That fusion creates pressure. Pressure fights gravity. And for millions to trillions of years, a star remains stable. But larger stars burn fuel rapidly. The most massive stars live only a few million years before collapsing violently. Some explode as supernovae. Others collapse into neutron stars or black holes. Smaller stars live longer. Red dwarfs, the smallest true stars in the universe, burn fuel so slowly that they can survive for trillions of years. And that matters, because by the time the universe reaches 1 trillion years old, almost every bright star we see today will already be gone. The blue giants, dead. The yellow sun-like stars, dead. Even many orange dwarf stars, gone. Only the smallest and faintest stars will remain. The universe enters what scientists call the degenerate era. Chapter 3. The Last Lights. 1 trillion years from now, the night sky will be almost unrecognizable. The Milky Way itself no longer exists as we know it. Long before this distant future, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies collided. Over billions of years, their stars passed through one another. Gravity reshaped both galaxies completely. Eventually, they merged into a single giant elliptical galaxy. A massive structure sometimes called Milky Way, but by the trillion-year mark, even that galaxy has changed. Star formation has nearly stopped. The giant clouds of cold hydrogen gas needed to create new stars have mostly vanished. Some gas was consumed long ago. Some was blasted away by black holes and supernovae. Some drifted into deep intergalactic darkness. The galaxy becomes ancient, quiet, dim. The brilliant spiral arms that once crossed the sky are gone. No glowing nebulae remain. No clusters of newborn stars illuminate the darkness. Only ancient stellar remnants drift through space. White dwarfs, neutron stars, black holes, and a scattered population of faint red dwarfs still slowly burning. The night sky becomes sparse. Instead of thousands of bright stars, future observers may see only a few dim red points glowing faintly in the darkness. The universe begins to resemble a cosmic graveyard. Chapter 4. A Different Sky. If humanity, or whatever civilization follows, still exists in this era, their understanding of the universe may be completely different from ours. Today we know the universe is expanding. We can see distant galaxies racing away from us. We observe the afterglow of the Big Bang itself, the cosmic microwave background. But 1 trillion years from now, almost all distant galaxies will have disappeared beyond the cosmic horizon. The expansion of space itself will carry them away faster than light can travel. Future civilizations may look into the sky and see only their own galaxy, nothing beyond it. No evidence of the Big Bang, no visible expansion, no cosmic web stretching across billions of light years. To them, the universe may appear static and eternal, a lonely island of stars surrounded by endless darkness. The true scale of the cosmos, forgotten. Chapter 5. The Red Dwarf Sky. The stars that remain are mostly red dwarfs. They are small, cool, and incredibly efficient. Some burn for up to 10 trillion years, but they are faint. A red dwarf emits only a tiny fraction of the sun's light. Even if planets still orbit them, their skies would feel darker. The heavens above would no longer blaze with countless brilliant stars. Instead, the sky may contain scattered deep red lights, dimly glowing like dying embers. Constellations disappear over immense stretches of time. Stellar motions completely rearrange the sky. The familiar patterns humanity once used for navigation and mythology vanish entirely. Orion, gone. Ursa Major, gone. Cassiopeia, forgotten. Every recognizable pattern erased by time. Chapter 6. The Darkness Between Galaxies. The greatest change, however, is not within galaxies. It is between them. The observable universe today contains hundreds of billions of galaxies, but dark energy continues to expand space faster and faster, over unimaginable timescales. Nearly every galaxy beyond the local group disappears forever. Their light becomes stretched into wavelengths so long, it fades into invisibility. The universe grows emptier, darker, colder. Even collisions between stars become extraordinarily rare. The cosmos slowly loses activity itself. A civilization living 1 trillion years from now might never know other galaxies once existed. They may never understand that the night sky was once filled with unimaginable beauty. Chapter 7. The Last Sunset. And eventually, even the red dwarfs will begin to die. Not quickly, but inevitably. One by one, the final stars exhaust their fuel. The universe enters an age where no new natural light remains. Only dead remnants survive. Black dwarfs drifting silently through darkness, neutron stars cooling toward absolute zero, black holes wandering invisibly through space. The sky becomes almost perfectly black, not the blackness of a cloudy night on Earth, but a darkness so complete that the universe itself feels absent. No glowing galaxies, no bright stars, no colorful nebulae, only isolated particles, ancient remnants, and the fading echoes of a cosmos that was once alive with light. Chapter 8. A Temporary Universe. Humanity exists during one of the brightest eras the universe will ever know. We were born early enough to see galaxies, to witness star formation, to study quasars and supernovae, to observe the cosmic beginning itself. The night sky above us today is not normal. It is temporary. For a brief window in cosmic history, the universe became luminous enough for life to look outward and understand where it lived. And someday, that window will close. 1 trillion years from now, the sky may hold only a few faint stars. But even then, those remaining lights will still carry the memory of a universe that once burned brilliantly across the darkness. A universe where galaxies filled the heavens, where civilizations wondered about the stars, and where, for a short moment in eternity, the cosmos was alive with light.